Tip number 1, paper quality. Brostro is the best quality for watercolors. So this is 300 GSM. We always use 300 GSM paper. As I said you before, in watercolors we have to use more amount of water. So the paper should be very good quality so that it can handle your water and absorb the water very quickly and easily. In next videos I will tell you about the more detail about the watercolors, cold pressed papers, hot pressed papers. These all are cold pressed papers. So I just recommend everyone first use the cold pressed paper, which is very good for the beginners. Using this type of papers, so please avoid that type of papers because it always spoils when you are starting. If you are putting a layer of water, it's just tear off very easily. In watercolors, we know we use lots of water, but sometimes we do more number of mistakes before doing painting only. So this is the major mistake we all the beginners do. So before drawing or painting on your paper, on your main sheet, you have to wet your paper first. So this is the main important point you have to remember every time in your watercolor painting. You would have the question that why we use this process. Now for showing you, I will explain you practically so that you can understand very easily. Let's do this. Now in right side I have spread the water, wetted the water before painting. So in left I didn't done anything. Now I am painting doing some different types of colors. So in the main suggestion of watercolors is the main thing we know the water. So we have to know the importance of water in this painting actually. So now you can see how neatly the right hand side has been blended very neatly, but in left hand side you can see I am trying to blend, but it's not that much good than right one. I'm trying for different colors. Oops, it's spoiled. Okay, no problem. I will just do the same in the left hand side. But I can clean the whole paper how the paper was before. See, I have took a cotton. I'm just tabbing on that particular paper slowly. Now I have got the proper paper, new fresh paper. Now I can do any type of colors. Before colors are different, now I can do different types of colors. Now it's like a magic. So let's do the same process in the left hand side. Very much. You can see the difference left and right. So that's tip number 3, using masking tape. Now I will show you the correct process of using the masking tape. varieties of tapes, but now I will show you the simplest tape which I use. So these are the paper tapes which are I usually use these tapes for sketching mainly, because if you use these tapes with these paper tapes, the paper absorbs the water and spoils very easily. I use the masking tape for watercolor painting. Number 4, paint mixture. So I have used the pinch of grey and pinch of blue, yellow on the head to get a sunny effect. This painting, you can see the edges are very smooth. You can see how I have merged the colors smoothly. In the videos I will explain you about this technique. If you want to know this technique very soon, so please comment down. Composition art, you have to focus on the shadows. You can see how many shadows. With the shadow only, the body structure and everything can be seen very easily. Now I will show you the mixture. So these two companies, I every time use these two companies only. Use 2 jars of water. You can mix your paints. See, it is not necessary to have the multiple colors. You have to know the basic color mix theory. So in the next videos I would explain you about color theory also. So you can see how I am mixing the how I have got the different colors. Some basic colors you have to understand, you have to mix, so you would get the beautiful effect. In this, nothing to learn, just go and practice. You would get to know the color, how you get very easily. So you can see the light shades, dark shades, medium shades. You can get everything from the single basic premium colors. Primary colors are the very important. In next video I will try to explain you about primary colors and also that circle, which I will say you soon. Step number 5, finishing touch. So in last 2 paintings I have used this type of micron pens, which I suggest you to use this type of pens. I would give you the link in description. So these are the soft crystals, mainly I use for the reflection. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel.